This is a really exciting project in the field of public health because it takes on many different domains within our field, from occupational health and women's health to mental health, family issues, community issues, the experience of migration in this country, and experiences of discrimination as well.
I feel like this project would definitely provide a space where some spotlight can shine on, like to project a voice for this community.
Building this project with community partners, with healthcare organizations, with nonprofits who do outreach with this population, lays a groundwork for this work to have real meaning and impact over time.
It's a very hard to reach population and very vulnerable, and also we don't have a lot of data about them. So they are the population that needs a lot of help, and they face a lot of barriers to access healthcare.
Pietra is really uniquely suited for this project. She has this wealth of experience in occupational health through the CDC, and she has this lens towards women's health and the experience of immigrants, and she's able to go into these communities and sit with them and be where they're at.
We would really like to use this opportunity to get some good statistics going on and get some good data so that the community partners or other communities in the nation can really look at and use that as inspiration or even foundation for future works.
And this really uses healthcare systems as one piece of a much broader puzzle about the lived experience and people's experience of health in their communities, in their work lives, in their family lives, and their connectivity to healthcare services.
Even though I'm a committee member, but I felt like Pietra also teaches me a lot, and she is a character with perseverance. She grinds and she just fights through a lot of barriers. All these positive features of her and bring a lot of the energy to the committee and to her work. I really want to see how Pietra's dedication to this population and how the data that we are going to collect will have something interesting and synergistic going on, and perhaps ultimately bring about some good changes for this community.